Set 17, Max Paper 1, Booklet A. Okay, first question. Which one of the following numbers, when rounded off to the nearest thousand, is 7,135,000? Okay, we look at option 3, is 7,134,999. This is the number that we want to round up to. It's bigger than 5, so we're going to get 7,135,000. And that's correct, so our answer for option 1 would be option 3. Okay, look at question 2. How many 6 are there in 4 2 over third? So 4 2 over third is the same as 4 4 over 6. Changing it to an improper fraction, 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28 over 6. This is the same as 28 times 1 over 6. Okay, so our answer, final answer is 28, which is option 4. Okay, question 3. Express 3 over 5 liters in milliliters. So we have 3 over 5. This is the same as 6 over 10, which is the same as 60 over 100, 600 over 1,000. So 1,000 milliliters is equals to 1 liter. So our answer for question 3 is actually 4. Answer 4. We move on to question 4. Okay, question 4. We should have 4.49 minus away 4 minus away 9 over 100. 4.49 minus 4, we have 0.49 minus away, there's 2 zeros, so it's 0.09. This will leave us with 0.4. This is the same as 4 over 10, which is the same as 2 over 5. Inside the box, over 5, answer is 2. So our answer for question 4 is actually 2. Okay, we move on now to question 5. Okay, find the area of the triangle A, B, C. A, B, C. Our base is 8 and our height is joined by the right angle, which is 4. So area equals to half times base times height. Area equals to half times 8 times 4. Cancel, here is 4. Area equals to 16. So answer for question 5 is actually 1. Okay, so now we move on to question 6. What percentage of the figure below is shaded? Okay, they have a bar divided into 4 equal parts. One of it is shaded. This is 1 over 4. This is 25 over 100. It's actually 25%. So our answer for question 6 is actually option 4. We move on now to question 7. The ratio of the number of blue marbles is 2/3 of red marbles. So blue is to red, 2 is to 3. What is the ratio of blue to the total number? So blue is to total. Blue is 2 units. Total is blue, which is 2 units, plus red, which is 3 units. So 2 is to 5. So our final answer for this is option 2. Now next we move on to question 8. In a group of 60 children, 48 are girls. So 60 minus 48, there are 12 boys. What is the ratio of boys to the number of girls? Boy is to girl, 12 is to 48. We divided by 2, we have 6 is to 24. You divided by 6, we have 1 is to 4. So our answer for question 8 is actually option 1. Now we go on to question 9. There was 500 ml of water in a flask. John drank 40%. How much water was left? So we have 100% and he drank 40%, which means he left with 60%. So we are trying to find out what is 60% of 500 ml. This would be 60 over 100 times 500 over 1. 100 and 500, crossing out this is 5, so 60 times 5 is actually 300 ml, which means our answer for question 9 is 3, which is 300 ml. Okay, we move to question 10 now. The table shows the NAPFA test for 4 boys at the seed and ridge. What is the average score? Average meaning taking the total score divided by the number of pupils. So we should have 42 plus 38 plus 33 plus 43. This will give us 42 plus 38 is 80. 80 plus 33 is 80, 90, 100, 113 plus 43, 651, 156. So they're altogether 156. There are 4 pupils. So we do a long division of 156 divided by 4. 3 minus 12. 3 bring down 6, 9. So 39. Our final answer for 10 is actually 1, which is 39. Which is 1. Okay, we are at question 11 now. The total height of Ali, Peter and Glenn is 4.3. So Ali, Peter and Glenn altogether is 4.3 meter. Ali is 0.4 meter taller than Peter. Glenn is 30 cm shorter than Peter, which means if Glenn is 1 unit, he is 30 cm shorter than Peter, so Peter will be 1 unit plus 0.3 meter. Ali is 0.4 meter taller than Peter, so this is 1 unit plus 0.4 plus 0.3 is 0.7 meter. Alright, so we have 4.3, we minus the 0.7 minus 0.3, we get 3.3. So 3.3 we divided by 3, we should get 1.1 meter. So how tall is Glenn? 1 unit is equals to 1.1 meter. So our final answer for question 11 is option 1. Next, we are going to move on to question 12. The ratio of number of boys to the ratio of number of girls is 5 to 2. So boys is to girls, 5 is to 2. There are 20 boys, so 5 units have 20 boys, 1 unit have 4. How many girls are there in the class? Altogether there's 2 units of girls, so that's 4 times 2, answer 8. Question 12, answer is 3. Okay, let's move on now to question 13. The sum of 4 numbers is 184. One of the numbers is 52. What is the average of the other 3 numbers? So 184, we minus 52, we should get 132. 132, we have to divide it by 3, doing the long division method. 4 minus 12, 4, 44. Our answer for question 13 is 244. Next, we move on to question 14. 6 marks and 2 plates cost $38. So 6 mark plus 2 plate, this will cost us $38. 2 marks plus 2 plate will cost us $22. Okay, we're taking the top minus the bottom. 6 mark minus 2 mark, we have 4 marks. 2 plates minus 2 plate is 0 plates. 38 minus $12, we're going to have $16. So 4 mark is 16, 1 mark is actually $4. So the answer for question 14 is actually 1. We move on now to question 15. Mary baked some cookies. She gave 2/5 of the cookies to her friends and 1/6 of the remainder to her neighbors. When you see the word remainder, we could actually use the branch method. So Mary actually has some cookies. She gave 2/5 to her friend, which means she will have 3/5 of the remainder left over. Out of this 3/5, 1/6 was to her neighbor, which means she left with 5/6 left over. And this is the fraction that we need to find out. How do we get this box? We have 3/5 times 5/6. Cancel, 1, 1. Cancel, divided by 3 is 1, 2. Answer is half. So for question 15, answer is 1, which is half. This is the end of set 17, Max Paper 1, Booklet A.